Hello, in this video you will learn how to make a regular size scrunchie at home. For this you need a 4 inches wide and 23 inches long strip of fabric, and for this I am using a 9 inches long elastic, and here this elastic is actually 6 wide. So first we will join the edges like this, and I will sew them together. Here I'm using burrito method. For that I'm seeing the edges of this strip. Here I'm using an old technique for back stitching because back stitch for my sewing machine doesn't work. So make sure you use the double stitch on the edges so your seam lines do not come off. After saying this, you have to fold the inner layer completely inside, so that when you are sewing the outer layers edges, this inner layer doesn't get stitched with that. So now we will start sewing the tube here. While sewing this tube, you have to keep pulling the inner layer of the tube, and then keep sewing the outer layers edges together. Keep sewing this tube until you reach the point from where did you started, and when you reach that beginning point you have to leave a gap so you can flip this tube inside out. Here I have left a gap between the starting and the ending, so I can flip this tube. From this gap you have to take this tube inside out. Now we will iron this tube of scrunchie. after ironing this tube, you have to insert elastic in the tube. For this I'm using a pencil here. We can also use a elasticing tool, but here I could not find my elasticing tool, so I'm using a pen. And then you have to tie a knot of the with both the ends, hold them together and then tie a knot. If you tie the knot like this, you don't need to tie more than one knot, because this is secure, and even no matter how much pressure you put on it, it will not come off. So yeah, in the last step now, after doing this, and then last step is to sew this gap that we left for elasticing and taking the scrunchie tube outside. So yeah, now we will sew this gap. So if you like my videos, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel for more. And if you want to see me doing some video on any topic, like some type of scrunchie, layered hair clips, or any type of hair clips, please do let me know your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you very much